Allentown, Pennsylvania. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in Pennsylvania: Berks, Bucks, Cumberland, Lehigh, Monroe, Montgomery, Northampton, Pike and Schuylkill, and in New Jersey, Hunterdon, Mercer, Morris, Somerset, Sussex, and Warren. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXL39 in Allentown, Pennsylvania. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. From the transmitter can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas near the city of Philadelphia in Pennsylvania. Bucks, Chester, Delaware, Montgomery and Philadelphia. In New Jersey, Burlington, Camden, Cumberland, Gloucester, Hunterdon, Mercer, Monmouth and Salem. In Delaware, Camden, Newcastle, including Upper Delaware Bay. And in Maryland, Cecil, including Chesapeake Bay north of Cruz Island. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Station KIH. This is a weekly test of the NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards warning device for station WXM60 in Southard, Howell Township, New Jersey. During potentially dangerous weather situations, specially built receivers are automatically activated to warn of the impending hazard. Tests of this signal are normally conducted by the National Weather Service in Mount Holly, New Jersey every Wednesday between 11 a.m. and noon. If there is a threat of severe weather during the normal test time, the test will be postponed to the next good weather day. Reception of this broadcast, and especially the warning alarm tone, will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous watches and warnings for the following counties and marine areas in near central and southern New Jersey: Burlington, Mercer, Middlesex, Monmouth, Ocean, Somerset, and Union, including the coastal waters from Sandy Hook to Little Inlet of 40 nautical miles, Raritan Bay, Sandy Hook Bay, and New York Harbor. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards, station WXM60 in Southard, Howell Township, New Jersey. Thank you for listening to NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards. Especially the warning alarm tone will vary at any given location. This variability, normally more noticeable at greater distances from the transmitter, can occur even though you are using a good quality receiver in perfect working order. The warning alarm tone will be activated for hazardous weather watches and warnings for the following counties in northern New Jersey, southeastern New York State, and northeast Pennsylvania, New Jersey, Bergen, Essex, Hunterdon, Morris, Passaic, Somerset, Sussex, Union, and Warren. Within Pennsylvania, Monroe, Northampton, Pike and Schuylkill, and in New York, Orange, Rockland, and Sullivan. This concludes the weekly test of NOAA Weather Radio All Hazards.